Most people think getting healthy means huge sacrifices. But what if I told you that just a few tiny daily habits can completely change your life? In this video, I'll share 7 simple, healthy habits you can start right now to boost your energy, improve your mood, and live longer. These aren't extreme diets or crazy workouts, just easy steps anyone can do. And trust me, the results will surprise you. Morning hydration. Start your day with a glass of water with lemon. It wakes up your digestion, hydrates your body, and boosts energy naturally. 10-minute walk. Movement in the morning improves blood flow, burns fat, and clears your mind. Eat whole foods. Replace packaged snacks with fruits, nuts, and vegetables. Your body craves real nutrition. Practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. Mental health, just physical health. Stretch or breathe. Just 5 minutes of stretching or deep breathing reduces stress and boosts focus. Sleep routine. Go to bed at the same time. Quality sleep repairs your body and sharpens your brain. Digital detox. Limit screen time before bed. Your mind needs rest to recharge. Don't try to change everything at once. Start small. Build consistency. Now you know 7 powerful habits to improve your health starting today. Which one will you try first? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help more people live healthier. Grab your free healthy habit guide here. https://skillupus.com/health